Have you tried a no foundation makeup before? Maybe yes, maybe no. However, either you've tried or not, you need to watch this video and see how beautiful it looks to have a makeup done without a foundation. Yes, so this is a no foundation makeup. So easy, so simple, and very lightweight makeup look. This could be a everyday routine, yeah, and it could also be for occasions, for occasional makeup. So anyways, hi beautiful people, hi guys. Yes, this is your girl here again, and I'm happy to be here to share this tutorial with my girlies. Yes, so I hope you are doing good wherever you're watching this video from, and I hope you're having a nice day or a nice time depending on your time from your region. Yeah, so I would like you to watch this video to the end and then give your comment in the comment section. Yes. So I would like you to support me, and this is the way you can support this channel, by subscribing and sharing the videos. Yes, it is not a little thing to me, it is very big. Yeah, because little things matters, but this is quite big if you subscribe to this channel and also share, comment and like. Yes, it's so big to me. And I would say if I should get to at least maybe 200 subscribers. I don't want to be too I don't know, but anyways, 200 subscribers before the year runs out. Yes, we still have some more days, weeks in this year. So if you could get me to 200 subscribers, I will be so glad and happy and do more for next year. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe as always and watch this video. Definitely you're going to see one or two things to pick from this no foundation makeup, and you're going to love the look at the end of this video. Trust me. Yeah, trust me. And if you have any comment, any ideas, feel free to share in the comment section. Yes, I will always read them and give you a reply. Yes, thank you, and have a wonderful time watching this video, and you're going to have a good time watching it, definitely.